Could you get your first health coaching client in the next 10 days? Here are my top 10 ways to do just that. So, when you're starting out as a health coach, you don't need a fancy website or thousands of followers. What you need is focused, authentic engagement with the right people. It's about getting you in a position to be in the right place at the right time with the right people. So, number one is offer a free results based session. So, for example, cravings to control breakthrough or healthy gut reset call or autoimmune game plan call. This is really a diagnostic session to see where they are at, assess what they require, and if they are wanting and needing your help, then by all means offer to help them. I will link at the end of this video a video on how to have that heart-centered sales conversation when you get there. The other key thing is to limit that to three spots for this special results focus session. Okay, number two is activate your inner circle, or what we like to call it, your warm market. So message 10 friends, family, colleagues personally, not a blanket email. Just say, hey, I was just thinking about you, because you were. That's why you're texting them or emailing them. I was just thinking about you. I wanted to run something by you real quick. When do you have 5 minutes for a quick call? Or you could say, hey, I'm offering a few free sessions to help people with, and then whatever it is, the problem that you help people with in your niche, who do you know who'd benefit? Or you could say, I'm offering 5 free sessions to help people struggling with anxiety or whatever your niche is. If you or someone you know would love support with this, I'm happy to help. The third way is some of you may be preparing for your national board exams in coaching, and you can send out an email or a post or let people know, hey, I'm going for the gold standard in health coaching, and that you require 50 practice sessions, and these can be paid or free, so that you can let people know, hey, I'm offering a free session to help people with whatever that ideal client problem is that you help with. And you could say, who do you know who'd benefit? Then if they become your client, all of those paid sessions will also help you go a long way to reaching your coaching hour goal for your national board certification, as well as your income and impact goals. All right, number 4 is go live on social media. So for some of you, this is going to be scary, but for others, I mean, really, if you're passionate about this topic, talk about your niche. So go for 5 to 10 minutes providing value on your niche. If you know a thing or two about Crohn's disease or post-concussion or menopause, let people know. So 5 to 10 minutes of value on your niche topic that your ideal client is currently struggling with. That's going to attract their attention. Then end with a call to action. DM me help if you'd like to get help with this, or DM me let's talk if you'd like a free customized session. Then you can also post the replay of that video with a call to action in your stories for another 24 hours. Now, if you are struggling to know how to carve out your expert niche and how to create your power statement, you can learn that as part of the Six Figure Health Coach Blueprint on page 31 of Six Figure Health Coach. There is a link in the description to get your free copy of the book with the 12-step blueprint. You'll find more details here. Number 5, share a case study, and that can be your story. Share your 90-second short story. It can be written or video about your transformation or someone you've helped. You can let them know that you've opened up true free breakthrough sessions this week, and to DM me interested if you'd like one. A very powerful example of this is something I teach my clients. Years ago, one of our six-figure health coaches, Tara, before she was a six-figure health coach, was going to post her story on social media. And I looked at it and I said, oh, no, you're not. And we reworked it, because before it was too much of, and this happened, and then you wouldn't believe what this happened. So we reworked that story that she was going to share. And that post led to 11 paying clients. It ended up being nearly a $20,000 post. It's worthwhile sharing your story. It's really kind of a coming out of the closet type of story. And so we have then aptly named this the Power Post template that I share with my clients. So I can create a video explaining what that exactly looks like. And if that is something that you are wanting, comment below if you want to learn the Power Post template, and we can provide some training on how to do just that. I really am on a mission to help help this world be a healthier, happier place. And I do that by helping more of you get your healing gifts out there because the world really does need you. And I know so many of you are so talented and yet haven't been able to figure out how to get that first client. All right, few more tips here. Number 6 is to follow up with past leads. So follow up with previous workshop registrants, email lists, Facebook groups, people who maybe booked an appointment with you, but then perhaps had to reschedule and then they got lost to follow up. And you can use something called the 9-word email. Now, that is not something I created, but it's something I stumbled upon along my journey. You can Google it. There's a whole training on this. But the 9-word email looks like something like this. You send an email that says Bob in the subject line, just their name. And the context is, are you still looking to increase your energy and improve your sleep? So are you looking to still solve this problem? And then that's it. The secret is resist the urge to say, call me or anything else or share anything else. Just that. Most people will ignore you, but the people who really are will say yes or why. And then that's an opportunity to continue the conversation. Now, number 7 is to run a survey. And you could say, do you feel bloated? Yes, if that's you. Or do you suffer from migraines? Yes or no. So you can find out and then follow up with those who responded positively or negatively, depending on how you want to look at that, but who have that problem in your DMs and invite them to a free session to chat about it. Now, number 8 is connect with 10 ideal clients on social media. This is something that I used to do a lot when I was looking to build my 6-figure health coach. And I would look to see where I could be of value and of service. So step 1 is just to like and comment appropriately and genuinely. If you see somebody struggling and maybe they have a migraine, let them know that, oh gosh, I know how you feel. And then step 2 is to DM them, leading with love, curiosity, and service, not salesy. And you could say something like, hey, I saw your post on migraines. I totally get it. I used to suffer from them badly. Were you able to find any relief? See how there's that curiosity? Now be sure your own social media profile is optimized with your bio and niche. And that will have them go, yes, why, or no, not yet, and allows you to have that ongoing conversation. Think about where your ideal clients already hang out online or in person. Maybe it's a Facebook group for new moms or a certain condition, IBS, Hashimoto's, or maybe it's a local book club. And so number 9 is to join groups and offer value online. So join 3 to 5 Facebook groups where your ideal client hangs out. Again, very similar to the previous one, we're looking at individuals. Step 1 is like and comment appropriately and genuinely. And step 2 is DM, leading with love, curiosity, and service, not salesy. The same sort of thing. Saw your post on migraines. Totally get it. I used to suffer from them badly. Were you able to find relief? So really having that conversation. Don't try to cure them, treat them. Don't try to get them into your program or anything like that. Have those authentic, real conversations with real people. The goal is to start the conversation and then as quickly as possible, hop on a call, take them from online to offline so you can find out more about them so that you can best guide them. And that may or may not be in your program, but you do enough of those and that's how you will land those first clients. Again, be sure your profile is optimized with your bio and your niche content because if this person is a stranger, they're likely going to check you out before replying to ensure you are legit. So number 10 is join groups and offer value in person. So join 3 to 5 groups where your ideal clients hang out, a book club, a walking group, a support group. Half of North Americans have at least one chronic disease. So there is an excellent, almost guaranteed chance that your ideal client is in that group, even if it is seemingly unrelated, like a travel group or a painting class. The format is the same. Step 1, offer value. Like and comment appropriately and genuinely in person, this case. So there's no button to do a like, but just comment and engage with people and step 2, be more interested in them than in trying to be interested and let them know about what you do. Instead, find out about them. And then step 3, ask what they do. If you ask what they do and you're interested in them, there's a very good chance they're going to ask you what you do. And if they ask you, be sure to share your power statement and then say, and how about you? And I have other videos on this channel, Dr. Shaunna, that go in depth on exactly how do you share your power statement. And again, in this book that I'm going to give you for free, check the description below to get your copy. I share exactly how do you craft your power statement so that you can articulate what exactly it is that you do in a way that your ideal client can actually hear that. So do that. So check that book out. And then step 4 is listen for them to share their struggles with their energy, with their health, and then offer to hop on a call and book it ASAP. Again, see other videos on my channel about how to get health coaching clients without social media. There are 3 proven strategies. I'll link that. I like to play a game called Where's Waldo that I share in there. It helps if you know what Waldo looks like if you're going to find them. One of my clients, Connie, she was able to create her 6-figure practice, and she does not even have a social media account, but she's very good at articulating her power statement and connecting with her real life in-person community. Christina, a coach I know, found her first clients through Instagram comments and partnering with a local yoga studio, but it helped to know who she was looking for. Thus the Where's Waldo? What does your ideal client look like? So she didn't wait for clients to find her. She went where they already were. And that's the real secret that most new coaches miss. The key thing is to go fishing where the fish are. So why struggle to build an audience when you can tap into an existing one? This approach works because it's about making real connections, not just broadcasting your services and what you do. You can implement these strategies today. Some of these things you can do right now, and you can see results faster than you might think. The beauty of these methods is they can work in just 10 days, not months or years. You don't need to wait to build a massive following or perfect your brand. These tactics are designed for immediate action and quick results. Even better, they're simple enough that you can understand and apply them right away. No complex marketing schemes or technical skills required, just straightforward, real human connection that converts into paying clients. Remember that every interaction is planting seeds for future clients, even if they don't sign up immediately. These strategies have helped hundreds of coaches find their first client without spending a dollar, a dime on ads. Start today and your calendar could be filled by next week. But once you have that connection, you're definitely going to want to know what to say on that sales call. So I've linked this video next on how to transform your sales calls and why effective sales calls are critical to your success as a health coach. Check it out. I'll see you over there. Be good for you.